It's the absolute time machine. We are in our hangar here in the Napa County Airport where we keep our Bell 429. It's a wonderful location to be our base of operations. I'm Christian Palmaz. I fly the Bell 429. My family owns and operates 3 companies here in California. One, a material science company based in Silicon Valley, and 2 agricultural properties, one Palmaz Vineyards here in the Napa Valley, and also a Wagyu cattle ranch in the High Sierras called the Genesee Valley Ranch.
1454 Zulu.
Being the pilot in the family, it's been actually a lot of fun to not only provide that service, of course, to myself, but also to my other family members. It's a little bit different than I think starting a flight department, but I think the winery and the other companies get to leverage this really unique tool that we've been able to add to our toolbox. Being able to go from the sea level environment here at the Bay Area up to 7,000 feet at the mountainous environments in the High Sierras in the summer is a really kind of a critical thing to be asking of an aircraft. And so we really needed a safe and effective way to get up there and also to cut out that 4.5-hour drive. It makes being able to manage that property go from, say, a once-a-week operation to something that can happen almost every other day, right? Because the aircraft just turns that 4.5-hour drive into a less than 1-hour flight. We are really 3 generations operating these businesses. We have the privilege of getting to spend a lot of time together as a result, not just professionally, but also personally. Being a Latin family, we have a lot of meals together and kind of center our lives professionally and personally around the table. We make products that really bring people around the table, and so we really value that. Beyond valuing my own time, I really value that family time. I think that's particularly been the best thing the aircraft has given me back, and it's just being able to do a full workday, feel like you accomplished what you needed to accomplish, and then get home and spend that time with your family and your kids. The safety factor is enormous with the 429. If I'm willing to put my family in the aircraft, my son fly with me, obviously I believe the aircraft is more than safe. And we wanted the additional safety, a little bit of additional power. The 429 was quite unique in the sense that it was fast, could carry quite a bit. Its operating cost was quite low, and allowed us to move all the people and stuff that we needed to the locations we were going, and gave us that additional capability of IFR flight, which was really important here in the Bay Area. When we were looking at other aircraft, and there's actually quite a lot of options in the light twin market, what we noticed was a lot of these aircraft did one thing well, but they sacrificed in something else. We really need the aircraft to do a lot of things. We found that the 429 allowed us to take what we needed and do it quickly and do it at a lower cost. It's uncomparable. It's really uncomparable.